how to auto scroll shorts on YouTube. So if you want to auto scroll shorts on YouTube, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, Google anything that you're comfortable with. In my case, I'll just simply go with my Chrome browser. Once you're on your browser, go and search for youtube.com. Now once you're here, make sure that you're on your desktop site. So go with the three dots, which will be on the top right, and make sure that you turn on the option or toggle the option of desktop site. Now once you've done that, you need to go with the shorts section. You will find the shorts on the top left of your screen. Right here, you will have shorts, tap on it, and as you can see that you will have all of these shorts, right? So if you want to auto scroll shorts on YouTube, then what you need to do is just go and open up a new tab, and after that go with search. You need to search for auto YouTube shorts scroller. Once you've searched for it, you will find this kind of interface on Chrome Web Store. Tap on it. Once you tap on that, you will have an option of add to Discord. Once you tap on it, you will have an option of add to desktop. So you just need to simply go and add it to your desktop. Once you've added it to your desktop, you'll be able to use this extension and auto scroll on your YouTube shorts. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.